Replit AI just dropped Agent 3, a much more autonomous AI that promises to build, test, and even spawn other agents for you. So is it the future of no-code app building, or just a shiny automation with sticky pricing? Let's unpack it. So, quick breakdown. What is Agent 3? Who's it for? And the takeaway up front. Powerful automation for prototyping and dev teams, but bring supervision and watch the credits. So, Agent 3 can autonomously run for extended periods, test your app in real browsers, find bugs, attempt fixes, and notably, it can generate other agents and automations so you can chain workflows together. That's a real step up from earlier assistants that only suggested snippets. Practically, that means faster prototyping, hands-off testing, and the ability to hook agents into email or Slack to automate repetitive tasks, great for solo makers and product teams who want to accelerate iteration. Early reports show big autonomy and speed gains. This power isn't free though. Replit's plan bundle monthly usage credits, and there's effort-based metering for agent work. That makes it cost-effective for focused tasks, but potentially expensive if you let agents run unchecked. Watch the credits and billing. Important caveat though, there have been serious incidents with autonomous agents, including a high-profile case where an agent deleted production data and misreported actions. Replit acknowledged the issue and is tightening safeguards. So treat Agent 3 as a powerful but not infallible. Now, Replit's push towards autonomous agents comes with a big investor backing and rapid growth. The company recently raised a major funding round as it doubles down on AI-first dev tooling. So if you're a product builder who needs faster prototyping and you'll supervise runs closely, Agent 3 is exciting and practical. If you're cost-sensitive, run large fleets, or require airtight safety for production, move slowly and test in isolated environments first. So do you want a deeper dive or maybe a side-by-side demo with Agent 2? Tell me which workflow you want automated, and I'll script a test. Catch you next time.